They have welcomed back plenty of their stars. Head coach Mike Ruthven making 4 changes to the side that beat the Force last week. Caitlin Halls will return to the starting side at fullback, with Miller returning to her position on the wing, retaining the vice-captaincy. Wallaroo top try scorer and recent 7-star Maya Stewart completing a dangerous back 3. Caroline Naisewa starting at prop in a 31st appearance. The host boasts plenty of stars in Captain Lomani and Mbuna, while the bench will feature veteran Vitila Tawake. Headlining weapons for the Drua all over the park. Of note, 11 players are set to play in the Super Rugby Women's Street. No rivalry has been more hotly contested than the Fijian Drua and the New South Wales Waratahs. The two teams are now set to meet. And Varanasi Singoro sets this one alight. History in Mba, history in Fiji. What a steamroll of a game she is having. Ellis, here comes the backline in motion. Big ball out, Stewart! And the New South Wales Waratahs will get the first try of the Super W final of 2026. Maya Stewart.
Maya Stewart, you give her an inch, she'll take a mile. She's dangerous with ball in hand. Ellis playing with a lot of maturity this afternoon.
Pulled in that time by Leini and then comes away for the Waratahs. A line-out trouble for the Fijian Drua right throughout the season. Last week in the semi-finals, they clocked 87%. On the other hand, the Waratahs, they got 100%. They stole 6 line-outs last week in the semi-final. Oh, lovely ball out to Stewart. A little stutter step and then gets the ball in field. And the try is on. Desiree Miller, I think, has got that try. The two wingers combining. And the New South Wales Waratahs get their second one.
Who would have thought Desiree Miller gets a try after her wing partner, Maya Stewart? It was a Desiree Miller.
Halls is at the back. And the 2024 Breakout Player of the Year nomination of World Rugby, Halls, has the final say in this first half. Tia Hines boots off the second half of the last 40 of play in Super Rugby W. Amelia Whittaker has gone in to replace Caitlin Halls, but Whittaker's on the wing.
Set.
Here's Hines. Gets it out. They hit the short side. Hines doubling around. Defense from Fijian Drua. It's on the New South Wales Waratahs side. Miller gets it out.
Advantage, 18 offside. Sorry, 8. Correction. 8 offside.
Penalty advantage for New South Wales Waratahs. Trying to get through, and the try is there from the hard-working tight-head prop, Faliki Pohiva. And the New South Wales Waratahs get their third try of the final. They strike first in the second spell.
It was only a matter of time with all the pressure that's been building and mounting. Pohiva. What a...
Naihamu gets involved quickly at first receiver. Lomani.
And use it.
Channels it back for Vueti. A clearing kick finds Miller. Floats it in for Ellis.
Tackle made here. Tackle made. He did not run into her.
Work by the Fijian Drua, putting the pressure on at the breakdown, but here it comes for Hoy. Gets it out quickly. A little show and go. And right through the middle. What a try, Rosie Ferguson. Well, from nothing, the Waratahs come through and they get the second try of the second half, the fourth one in the final. Rosie Ferguson.
Rosie Ferguson had an impressive game so far. You're seeing the replay here. All it was just simple hands. Rosie Ferguson with the dummy. And with that try, I dare say they've got 1 foot, 1 hand on that try.
Inside the 22, Rambana Kandavu getting there at the back. Good clean out. Comes away from Senikarivi. Fisher getting involved off the bench, putting on the impact. Dauli Moala. Fijian Drua women provide the threat on the New South Wales Waratahs line.
Don't.
4 tries to Zip.
Short, play it back.
Fisher
Short.
very close. It's short.
Away,
Still there for the Fijian Drua. And Nunia Dauli Moala goes over the top. And the Fijian Drua women get their first try of the 2026 Super W final.
58 minutes into the game, they finally get that try. Brace for a comeback here.
New South Wales Waratahs looking to hit back after the try from Dauli Moala for the Drua. Duck taking that in. Hines. Here's Hoy. Hines. Oh, looking for options. Duck comes in.
Yeah. Ball's out.
Good work. Hines once again. Gillis. Close to the post. Hines. Gets it out. Ellis. Miller the step. Miller holds it. Comes away from Kivett into Whittaker. And Whittaker gets the try for New South Wales Waratahs. Will they do the job now?
What a try from Whittaker. She's had a big impact since she's come on the field in the second half.
Set.
Hines. Ellis shifting that into the middle. Kivett getting it out. Whittaker. Good work by Whittaker. She gets away from Amaka. Amelia Whittaker make that back-to-back tries for her. She got 2 last week in the semi-final. She's got 2 now in the Super W final.
What a try from the replacement winger. Just only 5 minutes ago, she scored her first try. You can see in the replay here, she got the ball off the scrum. Well, it was just a cut out. She still had a lot of work to do. Takes her on the outside with that fend. Shows some pace.
Top tackler last week for the Fijian Drua in the semi-final. Yi Tawake Naihamu.
Got penalty advantage, Green.
Goro shifting. Big carry from Lewavo. Senikarivi delivers. Waisenga. Nditavutu. The Fijian Sevens captain finds Dauli Moala. And Dauli Moala goes in for her second try. Drew a second try in the second half.
That's one way to get the crowd on their feet. The big number 6 going over for a second try of the game. And it was just, again...
Goro gets it back into Buna. Lomani is there to carry that on for the Fijian Drua women. They're playing for pride. They're playing for the crowd who have come out in numbers over here. Side door offload. Pulled in by the New South Wales Waratahs. 44 points would be the lowest if you compare it from 2021 to 2025.
Let go. Yep, 13. Playing advantage.
Senikarivi gets it up. Betila Tawake. Shoulder down, takes it up well. Recycle ball for Fijian Drua women. Waisenga in the number 8 crashes over. That could be the final say in this Super W final. Sulita Waisenga gets the 3rd try for the Fijian Drua.
Fitting way to finish the game, Drua. Number 8, she's been very impressive this game. What a way to close off the game. Something positive for the Fijian Drua.
Goro with the conversion. And that's the end of it. Sulita Waisenga, who buried her grandfather on Wednesday before coming to play in this final.